Now let's take a look at another space of the LG ThinQ home. If the GLK zone was about breaking boundaries and integrating homes, let's switch things up a bit. Look for a more personalized, specialized area. This space takes the mundane study and transforms it to a next-level home office. Shall we get to work? This ultra-wide monitor offers an optimized working performance, and you can easily check your schedules with this AI speaker with voice command. These modern and stylish hardwood furniture concept appliances will elevate your interior design. They're not only beautiful, but also high-performance quality embedded. From now on, work smarter and relax harder with these furniture concept appliances. We're in the home cinema, where you can enjoy your entertainment in the most comfortable and immersive watching experience. Now, if that's not good enough, try cinema mode with, of course, voice command. Hey Google, cinema mode. Through the ultra-short throw method, the Cinebeam provides a large 4K screen, even in small, limited spaces. Coupled with the soundbar, enjoy an exquisite theater experience at the comfort of your own home. This is the styling room, now evolved to a space that cares for both your clothes and style. Inside, the humidity sensors automatically adjust the level of humidity to provide the optimal environment. Also, by checking the forecast on your vacation spot through the TV, you're able to select weather-appropriate outfits. How's the weather in Berlin? So, if it's raining, you can simply pick your favorite rainy day outfit from the LG Styler. Last but not least, the laundry lounge. If the laundry room in the past was a dark and dusty area, LG introduces a new concept of laundry space that allow you to enjoy the entire process of how you wash our clothes from start to finish. Simply set the laundry cycle with voice command. But if you're unsure, just ask. Hi LG, how should I wash my gym clothes?
Outdoor coarse and water temperature set at 40 degrees for optimal washing. Check the garment fabric care labels if it is washable. When you press the start button, washing will begin.
Great! Then turn on your LG dryer to find that the matching dryer cycle has already been set automatically. With all this extra time in your hands, why don't you sit back, relax, and enjoy your spa. Once again, LG raises the standards of home devices and suggests a space that elevates the value of all living spaces. Come see it here at the IFA 2019 LG booth.